Okay, welcome back, fellas. It's been a hard grind. Holy man, girls and guys, fellas and ladies. So, as you guys see, I've got the headliner down. I wish I could show you all of it, but of course you had to take all your mirrors off. You had to take those little things right there off, all your pillars. You had to take your seat belt bolt out. That's behind that right there. So you've got 4 of those in a PT Cruiser. You got this one here, that's over here, one there. Show you in the back here. You can't see the bolt. Well, yeah, you can. That hole right there you can barely see. That's where the hole goes to. Well, there's a bolt shining right there. Didn't have to take that one out, but that's for the other seat belt. But there they go. They go right in there. So after you get all that out, you see your motor, and of course you got to take your pieces off in the back here too. You take your pieces off back here, and then your pillar right there. All right. So that's what it looks like when you have everything down. Now, I'm just going to breeze through the instructions here for you, or as I'm saying that to be funny, the instructions. So let's go back around here. Make sure we got them. Read them word for word, or let's paraphrase better. All right, so as it says, looking at the instructions, it is saying take your motor off, which we're not, I guess we will have to if this doesn't come out. What they want us to do is they want us to take these 3, all this pan off back here. So in the instructions, I see 1, 2, 3. It says drill these rivets out, and it says unloosen the motor with some torque bits. So I'm going to try to keep this headliner in here without destroying it, because it's too hard for me to do by myself. And then plus, we had one that disconnects here, and that's the disconnection here. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but they did not make a disconnection here anywhere. That's for the actual light for the mirror, but that runs all the way around. And the last thing I want to do is take all this wiring off and having it laying around anywhere. So I'm going to try to work around this thing and leave it where it's at and button it back up. So like I said, one more time. I'm going to drill these 3 out here, disconnect our drain hoses that go back that way, take our motor off with the 3 Torx bits. This will come off, and I think this slides back, and then we can get to the track. Here's our track, and this allows us to slide everything back from what I've been told. And then that's what we're sliding in and out. So we're going to slide these out, put them down, and slide them back through the roof, slide them out, and hopefully slide our new in. So I'm going to let you take another little break. I'm going to work on getting these drilled out, getting this down, and then I'll come back with you and we'll show you how to slide this out. All right, we'll talk to you in a bit.